Okay, in this video we're going to look at scientific notation when we're dealing with very small numbers. You can see I've written on the board a very, very small number, 0.00000038. Really small. Now to write that in scientific notation, it's going to look like a big number in scientific notation, except it's going to have a negative power on it. So if you recall, if I had something like 280296000 and I wanted to change that into scientific notation, I count up the decimals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and write 2.80296 times 10 to the 8. In this case with the small one, I'm going to move that decimal place over here, so it's after the first non-zero digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the same as 3.8 times 10 to the power of negative 7. If you recall, a negative power is the same as 1 over 10 to the power of 7. So what I'm doing is I'm multiplying that 3.8 by a very small fraction to give me that small number. So let's do another one. If I had 0.004, I would move the decimal place over 1, 2, 3. It would be 4.0 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Just 3 decimal places. Converting in the other direction is really simple. So let's say I had 2.86 times 10 to the power of negative 8. I'm going to have to move that decimal place. If it's a negative power on the 10, it's a small number. The decimal place has to go to the left. So I'm going to move it 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. The decimal's going there. So if I write this out neatly underneath, it's going to be 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, 2, 8, 6. That's my really small number that comes from that scientific notation. Okay, so the difference between the number 4.5 times 10 to the minus 3 and 10 to the minus 3, or 4.5 times 10 to the power of positive 3 is a really big difference. You need to make sure you're putting the decimal place in the right direction. If it's a negative power, move it to the left. 1, 2, 3. 0.0045. If it's positive, move it to the right. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. $4,500. Okay? Very big difference between the two of those things. Hopefully now, after this video and the one before, you're okay to convert from decimal numbers to scientific notation and back the other way. In the next video, I'll show you how you can do a couple of operations with scientific notation.